What's a great way to show your appreciation to clients, customers, and volunteers? Gift baskets. Hi, I'm Cheryl from 4Imprint, and today we're going to talk about what makes a really great gift basket. It's being of value to the recipient, and that doesn't necessarily mean that you spent a lot of money on it. It means that you put a lot of thought into it. Whoever the recipient is going to appreciate what you're giving to them. Making it special can also be adding your touch to it and having something that has your logo on it so that they'll remember every time they use that product how much that you appreciated either their service, their volunteerism, or maybe just being a really good client or a really great employee. Budget is always one of the things to consider when making gift baskets. You want to keep in mind your relationship with the person that you're giving it to. Maybe something that you want a lot of higher end products in that's going to be a higher value, or you can do something that's maybe a little bit more personal, more fun, that doesn't have to be as high end. Another part of creating a gift basket is making it memorable. Add that special touch that they know that it was made for them. Maybe it's a gift certificate to a nursery, maybe it's a gift card to a spa, but you can always add those extra special touches. What are some great ways to fill out your gift basket with accessories? Well, if you start with a few basic items, you can add accessories to add a little bit of personal touch to that. Now here's one. We have a great basket to start with. We have our fleece blanket, some tumblers, a nice basket. We've added flip-flops, some napkins, and some plates to make it a really fun day out for the ladies. Now we could take these items out, add in a baseball hat, some peanuts, some popcorn, maybe a really fun napkins with some baseball theme, and we're all ready to go for dads. What's a great way to wrap your gift basket for that wow factor? You can use a custom container like we've done in these two, or you can wrap it using your cellophane, a bow, and some coordinating gift wrap. Just make sure you have your heavier stuff on the bottom in a nice firm base so that once you wrap it up, you pull the cellophane up over the top, securely fastening it at the top, and you can finish it off with a bow and a gift tag, and it's a perfect display piece. When you're making up your baskets, make sure to make up a couple extra to keep on hand. You never know when that nonprofit organization is going to come and they're going to be doing some fundraising, and you're going to have a really great basket that you can share with them. It'll help them out. They'll be able to raise some funds, and you still got your name out there.